Hello everybody, and today I will gonna show you how to make a pen getting file from HitFilm Express. So HitFilm Express is a video editor that is used for things like making movies and making TV shows like those, and also it's also good for making YouTube videos, and it's also free. Only for add-ons you have to pay. You can use the editor for free for it. So today we will gonna make a pen getting file from it. For this purpose we would use object tracking and some add-on called bonfire, which you can get fire, which means you can get fire from like that. So like a fire visual thing. So let's jump in. So next what we're gonna do is we have to go to, I guess you first of all, before doing anything, you have to first install HitFilm Express, which is the main thing of today, and also you have to also activate HitFilm Express. It's free to activate. You don't want to pay anything to activate. It's just okay. So then you have to install it. It's actually 1 GB. You need like a 1 GB of space to install it. First of all, I'm gonna get this thing up. So it's Film Express. So I don't know this this weird error message coming, but after I click OK, it will gonna open up. Wait, I know it will gonna open up, and you see it Film Express. So it's open up, and then you have to click new here, and then so these are all the rendering things. So don't do anything. We're gonna make a 1080p video, and then click OK, and then we're gonna go to wait. We're gonna open up, and here goes. So this is like kind of the first of all, this is the compositing thing, which were how you compositing. It's actually a workspace. So what you want to do is go to Window, Workspaces, and then you have to click, I guess, editing. So this is the video editing way. So here, but first of all, before doing anything, I will need to get the media. So to get the media, we're gonna click get here to here. So I think so. Now we're gonna get to here, and then we don't want to do anything yet. So what we have to do is get a new right click, new, and then composite shot. Then we have to add, what I mean is the name for, so actually it's a screw. So actually it's some kind of like thing. So screw, I don't know. So I'm gonna do it anyway. So okay, so screw getting fire, then here. So here, so this is the compositing place. So next we have to get to workspaces, window, workspaces, and then compositing. Then it will gonna be like this. And then next we go to media, and then get here to here. So now it's like this. We also want to short this up, so we have to do this, and good. So here it goes. So now it's good. So then we have to get some effects, so tracks. Hello, and I'm back. So next, okay, so what we have to do next is we have to get the tracks. So we're gonna make a tracker, and then so it will make a new thing right here. So this is a new tab called track. So in this place, in this tab, you can do all kind of settings and things. You have to do it in tracking. It would be useful in tracking. So here, so first of all, I want to add where to track. So I want to track actually at here, actually after when I do this. So it's not pretty easy though. First of all, it's the best way is that we're gonna remove this actually. So when we hit this when we hit this, it's right here, then we are gonna cut off this part and we'll go to here. Then we have to make here a new tracker and a tracking point, and then we're gonna have to add the tracker. So it's here, this right here. So then this is the place we want. Then the where to track is wait, I'm gonna, it's this thing. So then it will gonna, then what we have to do next is just click here. So it will gonna do all of kind of things. So it's stopped because first of all we have to do this. So single point, double points mean it we're gonna do it position, scale, and rotation. You need two of them. We want single point, which is the position only. Optical flow is useful for so it will gonna more good when blurring. And also you think why this thing stopped. This is not actually, this is where we'll do it by one frame. This is like do it simultaneously until the end. So why did it stop? So actually this is stopped because if we go to options, there's a thing called, in general, there's a thing called error tolerance. So this means when it was too much blurred, we're gonna stop, and we can so it need to be fixed. So it need to be fixed by a human like me. So like that. So we're gonna do it again, and then we're gonna go to here, not where we want, is here. Then here goes, we're gonna go now simultaneously. So we're gonna go simultaneously. So you see, these are this is the things were, I mean the keyframes, and then this is end. So this means, and then press again and here. So complete. So if we see back, here goes. So this is where it started. So actually you don't, it's here. So press so then we have to just see just our thing. So and then tracking point, then you can see it's just going like this. So which means it's good, we are good. Then I will come back again with some footage. Wait. Okay, hello. Okay, I'm back. So after we, so now we got the thing. So we got the things like the tracking things, the tracking info. Then and after that we have to make okay, so these are two of them, so don't worry about that. Then we have to make a new layer. It was a point naming, actually we're gonna go back because we only we had at the layer tab, we have to go to the view tab, and this is how it looks like. So then okay, just I followed, okay, not a big problem. So we have to rename it to the thing that we want. So the screw anything. So here. So then after that, go to the tracking again, the tracker thing. So here goes, I double clicked, and then there's a new thing, and the last time it was grayed out. Now there's a new thing called apply to layer. So in here we have to get the thing. So the apply to the layer, we have to get the purpose. Actually we have to add transform, and then we have to add screw, and then after that we have to get, and then click apply. So it feels like gray out, but it's actually then we have to get some VFX going on. So we have to get the main thing that we want. So here goes. So these are all going. So this is actually something. So here goes. So it's now you cannot see, but then after that we have to get our some VFX going on. So for that we have to get fire, then we got this bonfire thing. We're gonna add it to the top, very top. Then here's the bonfire effect. Then we have to get it. So here goes. So this is the thing. Go to controls, the controls tab right here, and then we have to add the actually scale to a bit smaller scale. So we're gonna be fitted to this size. Do not mess up with that. That's my mistake. Click here, and then I don't know why. So click this middle thing and click here. Then you have to. So you see a thing right here. Click here, and then click to screw. So we're gonna pan to this, and then try to play. So it won't do anything. So the best thing to do with this is add it to here. So then let's see. So we're gonna so and it's a bit off. So I also this thing is messed up. So if you see it here and here, it has been if you see the position, it's a bit messed up. So actually this thing is 37, so it's minus 37.8. so we have to fix this thing at like that. 47, then a bit 37. So it was pretty hard to do. Actually we don't want very accurate, so then we have to do it minus 5.9. so we have to get minus 5.9 anyways, and then there's not much in it. So then if you see something, it has a bit of something happened to here. That's because we have some scale problem. So not actually scale, but the position at here. Then it will gonna be like that. So you see it's working. So that's how it working. So we're gonna stop at there and right here. So it goes forever. So that's not a big problem. You can actually fix that into it. It's not even useful a lot actually. You can fix that to here. You can fix this because this is automatic. So see now, so it working. So now we have to export this. So how do we first of all, we are not ready to do. So now we make all the media things. Then we have to get to the editor, and also we go click window, workspaces, and then go to editing. It's not useful, but it's good for for that. So then get this our composite shot, and then here, and then play it, go through the playing things, and here goes. So it was a bit laggy because it has some problems. I mean, it's like intensive, but it's not pretty intensive. So then we're gonna do some problems. So from here, so I'm gonna wait. So you have to zoom in and just submit notification, and then it was at here. So here we have to cut off this, and then select this, remove, and then we only have the useful parts. So then we have to export. So before even exporting, we have to first of all get this to a good way. So I have to get to the right place. Then to get to here, then zoom it out. Oh, okay, Okay, so this is okay. So now, okay, so then we have to click export to a file, and then we have to add the file name of the name. So fire from screw. So actually anything. So you have to click save, and then we're gonna start to like export this. So wait until we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna cut from here until this finished. So I wait until this will gonna finish. Okay, so it's finished. So now what we have to do next is see. So I'm gonna play. Here goes. So here goes. I'm gonna add full screen. So there's some problems. This thing, it's not a big problem actually. So here goes. So actually it's like you are actually getting something. So that's how movies, this object tracking thing is used for all over the movie industry, which means it's pretty useful for if you are making it's not useful for making YouTube videos, but it's useful if you are making movies. So making movies, it's pretty useful for that. So thanks for watching. So it is a pretty good video actually. So bye. Subscribe and like this video, and goodbye and stay safe.